Today I'm going to share with you another delicious and simple recipe. Thai coconut soup with chicken and yams. All you need are a few simple ingredients. Chicken breast, yams, Thai red curry paste, pepper, coriander seeds, coconut milk, water, and salt. Let's get started. Start by putting into your Thermomix 500 grams of chicken breast. We cut it into cubes, which makes it a far better eating experience. Next, we put in 400 grams of cubed yams. Then add 20 to 25 grams of fresh coriander. There wasn't any available at the store, so we added coriander seeds. And then we add 30 to 40 grams of Thai red curry paste. This stuff is delicious. Next, we add 600 grams of coconut milk. We added a spoon of coconut cream as well for extra flavor. Next, we add 100 to 150 grams of water. I love how you can precisely measure out the weight. And then we add 1.5 teaspoons of salt and 3/4 to 1.5 teaspoons of pepper, depending on how spicy you want it. My wife and I don't measure. We just keep on shaking until we think it's enough. And that's it, you're done. Put the lid on the Thermomix. Spin the dial and set your stirring to level 1. Set the temperature to 100 degrees and your timer for 20 minutes. Once done, you have a beautiful aromatic soup. The coconut milk tames the heat from the Thai curry paste, and you can add spicy peppers to this recipe to add an extra kick. Finish with a little sprinkling of fresh parsley. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe.